Meaning of erroneous.
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 Erroneous. The term erroneous refers to something that is incorrect or mistaken. In other words, if something is described as being erroneous, it means that it contains an error or a mistake. This can refer to a wide range of things, from mathematical calculations to written or spoken statements that are factually inaccurate. Essentially, anything that is not accurate or true can be considered erroneous. It's important to be aware of errors and mistakes in order to correct them and ensure that we are presenting accurate information to others.